Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to GE Vernova's conference call to discuss the acquisition of Prolec GE, as well as GE Vernova's third quarter financial results and outlook. At this time, all participants are in a listen-only mode.
Now with that, let's shift to our 3Q results on page 12. This quarter, we secured $1.6 billion of orders for synchronous condensers in Saudi Arabia, with more to come. Hyperscalers increasingly are turning to us for their electrification needs, with $400 million of orders in 3Q alone. So far this year, we've booked roughly $900 million in electrification orders with hyperscalers, compared to $600 million in all of 24. We are closing deals with growing opportunities for services, repowering in the U.S., and new units in attractive international markets. If we shift towards our ability to fulfill on this strong growth across our businesses, we had a very productive last 100 days. I had the ability to spend time in our two largest gas power facilities in both Greenville, South Carolina, and in Budapest, and I'm very pleased with the progress. We've installed almost 200 new machines in our gas power factories this year and added approximately 800 production workers and remain on track to meet the runway of 20 gigawatts annualized production by 3Q26. My visit to Stafford in the UK this month reinforced my confidence in our grid business's ability to meet the ramp in HVDC. I also visited critical suppliers in 3Q we are relying upon, and the supply chain is keeping pace. Visiting our offshore marshalling harbor in the UK this month continued to give me conviction we'll be materially complete with Dogger Bank A and Vineyard this year. All that said, we aren't running the company to simply sell and fulfill on the business in front of us. We are investing in the long-term future. We signed our first technology collaboration funding agreement with a hyperscaler for scope inside the data center, as an example. We also announced a strategic alliance with Samsung this month to advance our BWRX-300 nuclear SMR outside North America. Our investments in artificial intelligence are gaining real traction as we gain engineering productivity through AI to meet the unprecedented demand in gas turbine controls engineering requests associated with the surge in both new unit and upgrade order activity. We are using AI in our bidding activity today to ensure we get customer requirements right the first time, and for design verification and validation. Physical automation, using machines, robots, and mechanical systems to perform physical tasks that would otherwise require human labor, is gaining traction across areas such as material handling, inspection, surface treatment, and assembly. Our AI and physical automation investments are just starting, but will drive substantial value for our customers and owners in the back half of the decade. We make all these investments while further strengthening our balance sheet, closing the quarter with approximately $8 billion of cash. This enables us to grow both our R&D and CapEx over 20% this year, while we have also repurchased over 6 million shares for roughly $2.2 billion year-to-date at an average price of $357. We are and will continue operating GE Vernova from a position of financial strength with substantial opportunity ahead of us.